Mix ice cream powder with water in the same ratio, then pour it into the container. Frozen recommended time setting is 25 to 30 minutes. Different ice cream slurry has different molding time. Click the start button. The compressor starts automatically after 1 minute. When the buzzer sounds, indicating that the hard ice cream is completed, the mixer gradually pushes the prepared hard ice cream to the container. Different recipes, different flavors of ice cream. Then pour the hard ice cream into the refrigerator. Keep the machine clean when the machine is not in use. One person can operate this machine. It's also a commercial hard ice cream machine used in the big process industry. Hard ice cream is a popular frozen dessert during hot summer. More information, please click the following website.